Priyanka Chopra is opening up about her journey from Bollywood to Hollywood and why she felt she had to look beyond Hindi cinema. Priyanka began exploring opportunities in the US in 2012 as a music artist. Though her music career was short-lived, she soon moved into acting in Hollywood, starting with television and then films. Today, nearly 15 years later, she has firmly established herself as a global star. In a recent interview, Priyanka revealed that leaving Bollywood was never her original plan. "I don't think I ever wanted to leave Bollywood. I felt limited for many reasons when I was working in Hindi films. I wanted to expand. I was kind of pushed into wanting to look for opportunities that would be exciting to me as an artist. I landed up working in America and now, I feel like, after almost 12 years or so, I am finding the momentum to pick and choose really amazing work, and that's not easy." Priyanka hasn't appeared in a Hindi film since 2019's The Sky is Pink. Now, she's returning to Indian cinema with S.S. Rajamouli's Telugu film Varanasi. She said, "I love my Indian films. I am really happy to be doing Varanasi back in India again, and I would hate to have to choose between the two. I never have. I feel like I straddle both worlds and I enjoy working in both industries. They are both different to work with in many ways, just as cultures are, but now, my brain can work into different ways now, so it's really a unique, amazing, fun thing to be able to do," she said. Earlier, she had also spoken about nepotism in Bollywood. "I'm not a nepo baby. I didn't have the kind of support that exists in a big way in Bollywood movies. There are multi-generational actors that get in and get multiple opportunities versus the ones that come from outside. You don't have your uncle making a new movie for you just because the last one tanked. You have to hustle for it." She added, "I was being pushed into a corner in the industry. I had beef with people, and again, I'm not good at playing the game. I was kind of just tired of the politics." Meanwhile, Priyanka is gearing up for The Bluff, where she plays a 19th century pirate alongside Karl Urban. She revealed she performed 85% of her stunts. In the end, Priyanka Chopra's journey reflects both resilience and reinvention. While she says she was pushed into seeking opportunities beyond Bollywood, she has turned that phase into a powerful global career. Today, she stands tall as an artist who never intended to leave home but chose to grow beyond boundaries. And now, as she balances Hollywood and Indian cinema on her own terms, Priyanka proves that sometimes being pushed out of your comfort zone can lead to your biggest breakthroughs.